starting from the time na screen, kapag yan nabubuksan yung email or hindi natin na yung documents na sa screen, I would still recommend na walk screen, walk email.
Hindi kaya nga sa Wednesday para siguradong marireceive na
Wow! It's a pool! Nice pool for me. Wow! So cool! I'm happy. Oh, this is my pool.
say thank you.
Thank you.
Grandma.
This is so heavy, but who buy that?
Grandma.
For me?
Yes.
Kumain naman kayo?
It's so big. Wow! Let's see. What's inside? Wow! I don't know how to get it out. It's a pool. We need a pop.
What do you need?
Pop here.
Huh?
It's so cool. Yay!
Wala pa
It's
naman
so
yung
cool. It's a puppet. Wow! What are you doing, Tita?
Papapap ba to?
Bali tatlo i-date yan.
Kuya?
No, Tita! No! No! Be my pool.
Papapap ba to talaga? Sa ginagawa ko, pera-pera pa ko ng sarili ko.
Meron tayo pump na gano'n, yung bilog na gano'n.
Para ba to this week? Mia, where's the water?
Where's the water?
Yung ginamit namin pang open or pang hangin, hindi na yung pump kasi ang hirap. So ito, yung blower ko na cold setting para hindi mainitan. Para-paraan, para kay Mia. Saktong-sakto ka dyan ah. Mukha ka nang nasa resort, Mia.
Si Grandma.
Doon si Grandma. Sa kwarto ko doon.
It's up there.
It's my room. Ang tagal mo puno ng pool. Mga bukas pa yan, Mia.
Hi. Dad, I'm putting water in my swimming pool.
Hey, after 48 years, puno na.
Dad, I'm swimming.
You're swimming?
Yeah, I'm swimming in my pool. It's so fun.
Wow.
I have my swimsuit.
And your swimsuit is from?
From Tita Ella.
Mermaid.ph. I'll show your swimsuit to the camera. Wow.
So beautiful. Swimming in the pool. Swim. It's nice to swim. We are swimming. Let's go swimming. We are swimming.
You love your pool?
I love my pool. Yeah, swimming in my pool.
Mia, are you happy?
I'm happy.
Grandma's here?
Yeah.
Finally?
Happy, but we are here.
I'm happy because...
My pool's here.
Mia, it's cold. Okay, let's put some hot water. Yay! Yay!
Uy, ang init. Ang init, Mia, init.
Okay, now, come here, Mia. Here you go. Come on. Go there. Yay! Now it's hot, okay?
Is it fun? Ang taba ko naman.
Yay!
Swimming.
So hi! Welcome to my vlog. Today, we have to do something. Today, we're gonna go here in the sala. This sala is a very good, nice sala. Their sala is with couches and there are chairs and tables.
In-upload ko talaga.
And there is the TV. I want to show you the TV. This is our TV. It's big TV. Can you see? I can fit inside the TV with 3 of my friends. If you know Sadako came here. Sadako did not have any problem coming inside and outside and bringing her friends, 3 of her friends. And today we have swimming pool here because this little girl, she said she wants to swim, but there's no resort available. So we ordered swimming pool here. It's fit here in the gardens. We moved some of the plants. You see, there's the air is not full anymore because she played inside the pool with the waters. And we moved the plants away so the plants will not poke the balloon, the swimming pool air. So it's fine. So I want to show you, this is my piano. It's very good, nice, because there's xoxo. So it's not xoxo, it's milk candy. And one you need to put on the piano are your coins. These are changed from delivery. When you have delivery and they will say, "Ma'am, wala kaming panukli," you will get your coins. They will show them, "Here, you don't need panukli, I can give you coins." And we have flowers on top of the piano and small bamboo shoots. What is this? Those looks like small bamboos with ribbons. The ribbons are very important because, and there is alcohol, 2 types of alcohol, but it's different, but it's the same at the same time. And then I will show you my prize collection of ceramics and glasses. Every 90s house has this cabinet of never used plates and bowls and glasses, and I don't know what these are. We have never used this. These are for eggs. Why would you put your eggs there if you're gonna eat it anyway? Just put it on your plate. There are mugs. We never used those. And we have like this soup bowl. I don't know what that's for. And those are ceramics, and those came from Japan, China, and Japan. And we have like this. I don't know what this is. It's a plate for design. Why not use an ordinary plate for design? It's the same thing. And here we have a side table. This side table is very important to the house because, and we have plants here down the TV. And there's soundbar. Soundbar are very famous nowadays, but you have to use subwoofers also because soundbars are very thin. And this is our mirror. This mirror is older than everyone. That's it. So that's our tour inside our house. Oh, this is the dining area. It's where you eat food. Thank you for being here, for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And please donate to our Patreon account and our Please Fund Me account. We need money because don't have work anymore. But please like and subscribe. Peace, yo.
What's yours when you go home?
Mia, you're swimming again? With Grandma?
You almost fell down.
Ano ginagawa niya?
As if yoga.
I like to swim.
And then,
One more time.
okay, swim. Come on. Swim one more time. There. Okay.
Yun ang swimming niya.
Swim in the class. I swim.
Yay! Bato.
That's so funny.
so funny. Yeah.
Yay!
Bato, bato.
Here in Fairview, tingin si Mami ng plants and pots.
Grandma! Why are you taking so long, Grandma? Why are you taking so long? Let's go, Grandma!
You know this place? Anong yes? Ba't ka sumasagot? I don't know this place. Matitikman na natin ang famous shawarma ng Lagyo.
Special ah, bilhin mo ah.
We're excited to eat.
Alis na ba ito?
Ayan! This is it! My first time ever!
My first time to go to try mo shawarma ko.
Here! Shawarma. You like
Love
shawarma?
that. No, I don't. Before I liked that and I love that.
Ang bilis, oh.
I love that.
You love this?
Yeah.
Bilis. 80 pesos each na beef shawarma special.
Kasi na wallet ko, nilagay mo na dyan. Okay.
This is it. Ayan. Yung sauce and the shawarma. Kaya let's try this. First time ko to matatry, pati ni Mami.
Bakit ganito? Nasa labas yung meat.
Nasa labas nga yung meat eh. So, ayan. Lagayan natin itong sauce.
Papel?
Ay, shucks. Oo, syempre. Lahat naman ng shawarma papel. Kasi ito, spicy ba to? Nikot ko lang, diba? Ang lalaki ng hiwa ng onion. Pero in fairness, ang bilis. Walang pila. Pumunta kami. Sauce. Ang dami onion. Kumuha tayo ng tulong ng fork.
Grandma, I'm finished with my juice.
Okay, you're finished with your juice. You want some more?
Yes, please. Say yes, please, Grandma.
Yes, please, Grandma.
Oh, here.
No, only
Love mine.
just want to taste it.
Just want to taste it, sabi niya.
Okay.
Bilhin niyo na, oh. Bilhin niyo na.
Ano yan? Benta mo na.
Tastes like
4-5 na lang. Brand new 16.
You can't have it. It's spicy.
juice.
Juice daw.
What's that juice?
Is mango juice. Tastes like yummy.
I don't like tomatoes. There's maraming laman, ah. Hindi siya yung ibang shawarma na parang purong balat na lang yung loob. So, worth it naman siya sa 80 pesos at sa lakbay namin. Bye, camera.
Bye, Pool.
Bye, Pooh.
You say,
see
like
you
and
again.
subscribe.
Round 5, you watch my video, the pancake in the challenge. Bye! Let in 5 bye! Watch my video, is the pancake in the TikTok